How to use Relay Bank for Profit First method. Are you tired of feeling like you're working hard just to pay bills, with nothing left over for yourself or your business? What if I told you that by simply changing where your money goes, you could fundamentally change your relationship with profit? That's the power of the Profit First method. But implementing it successfully requires the right banking structure. I've personally found Relay Bank to be the ideal tool for this, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I've set up my own accounts to make Profit First automatic and effortless. The Profit First account structure. The core of Profit First is dividing your revenue the moment it hits your bank account into predefined percentages, rather than waiting until the end of the month. To do this, you need dedicated accounts. Here are the 5 core accounts I recommend and how I've set them up in Relay. Moneybag income account. This is my main holding tank. Every payment from a client or customer goes only here. I don't pay bills or take owner's pay from this account. Its sole purpose is to receive all revenue. Chart increasing profit account. This is the most important one. When I allocate funds, a percentage of the income is immediately moved here. This account is sacred, it's non-operational. I only touch it for my quarterly Profit First distribution to myself. Money with Wings owner's pay account. This is where my salary lives. A fixed percentage goes here. This account is the only one I use to pay myself my regular, consistent compensation. This ensures I get paid first. Briefcase tax account. As a business owner, I never want to be surprised by tax season. I set aside a percentage of my income here based on my estimated tax burden. This money sits, gathering dust, until I need to make a tax payment. Credit card operating expenses, OPEX, account. This is the account for everything else: software subscriptions, contractor payments, rent, supplies, etc. This is the only account I use for day-to-day business operations. The key is that the amount allocated here is the maximum I can spend. Setting up the Relay automation. The real magic is using Relay to automate the transfers, turning the Profit First method from a manual chore into an automated system. Create the accounts. Within the Relay dashboard, I simply create the 5 accounts listed above. Relay allows for up to 20 checking accounts with no fees, so setting up these divisions is simple. Define your percentages, target allocation percentages, taps. I determine my taps based on the Profit First formula and my business's current size. For example, my current taps might be profit, $10% Owner's pay, $35% Tax, $15% OPEX, $40% Use Relay's automatic transfers. This is the critical step. I set up a recurring, scheduled transfer in Relay from my income account to the 4 other accounts: profit, owner's pay, tax, OPEX. I schedule this transfer to happen twice a month, on the 10th and the 25th, for the total amount that has accumulated in the income account, using my preset percentages. Create custom debit cards. I use Relay's feature to issue dedicated virtual or physical debit cards tied only to my OPEX account. This hard stops me from accidentally dipping into my tax or profit accounts for operational expenses. If the OPEX card declines, I know I've hit my spending limit, forcing me to be lean. My personal workflow. Here is my routine for managing the system. Money arrives, a client pays me, and the full amount lands in the income account. Twice a month, the automated transfer runs. Relay instantaneously empties the income account and distributes the funds into the other 4 accounts based on my taps. I pay all my business expenses only from the OPEX account. I get paid. My consistent salary is transferred from the owner's pay account to my personal bank account. I celebrate. Every quarter, I distribute the money sitting in the profit account to myself as a bonus. This is the reward that proves the system is working. By using Relay's multiple accounts and automation features, I've eliminated the need for complex spreadsheets and manual tracking. The bank account structure forces profitability and financial discipline. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.